Road trips never go out of style. There's something about hitting the open road, stopping wherever you want, and discovering new places along the way that people just love. But here's the catch. If you were to write a full blog about an epic road trip itineraries, it would normally take hours. You would need to plan the route, describe the stops, add images, and then make it SEO ready. With autoblogging.ai, that same blog is done in minutes, and I'll show you how. As the one that I generated, it's SEO optimized, complete with proper headings, images, infographics, and even a relevant YouTube video added and with proper FAQs. And let me show you how I did this using autoblogging.ai step by step. After you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard, which feels like a guided setup for blogging. It takes me step by step from the title and all the way to final article. Article title, I'm going to type here, epic road trip itineraries. You can try this here. Next. Article language, I'm going to keep English for this one, but Autoblogging also supports 30 languages. So if your readers are in German, Spanish, French, you can instantly generate versions for them too. Next. Article length, for this one I'm going to pick medium because road trip itineraries need enough detail to guide people but shouldn't feel overwhelming. But here's what other style do. Short is like a quick and a light post, and long is an in-depth guides that are great for SEO. Next, type of article, I'm going to go with listicle since itineraries are best presented in numbered format. Here's what other options do. Informative is a guide style articles that explain step by step. Places organizes the content around locations or region. Service bar landing page creates a format designed for promotional or business pages. Next, for the tone of voice, here I'm going to pick second person so the article talks directly to the reader. But here's what other style do. First person is writing like a personal story and third person is like a magazine or a guidebook. Next, writing style. I'm going to pick conversational because road trips should feel light, fun and easy to follow. But here's what other style do. Auto is where AI picks the style automatically. Less AI words makes the blog more natural and simple. Premium style 1 is SEO friendly formatting. Snippet optimizer helps target Google featured snippet. And conversational is more friendly, witty is more playful tone, and professional is more polished tone. Next, I would tick all the 4 boxes here for that extra benefit. Intense optimized article creates a solid structure with clear headings. FAQs pull in real questions people are asking about road trips and answer them inside your blog. AI images create visuals to catch the content and adds them with alt text. And infographics creates a quick visual summaries like route breakdowns or checklist. Next, SERP analysis. This is like a built-in research. Instead of me checking Google for top ranking road trip blogs, Autoblogging scans those results, see what's working and then builds my article using that proven structure, but with original writing. So you don't have to do any guesswork here. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a note here in the source context box of how you want your article to be. You can also select the location where you want to rank on top. Now here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition follows the same section flow as high ranking blogs. External link add references to trusted websites. YouTube video will add a relevant video inside the blog. And key takeaways adds a quick summary box at the end. Next, AI proofreading. Now this fixes grammar, readability and tone so I don't have to edit anything manually. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a guideline here. Next, internal linking. Now this connects my new blog to existing post on my site. So if I've already written about packing for road trips or best cars for long drives, Autoblogging will link them automatically inside this article that keeps reader exploring and boost SEO. You just have to enable this and paste your domain here. Next, proofreading. If you want a real editor to review the blog, you can just enable this and quickly leave a guideline here for them. For this, you'll require a human proofreading credits, which you can purchase anytime from the dashboard. Now hit on generate article. Scroll down and within minutes you'll get a view like icon here. Click on that. Ready to publish with SEO friendly, properly structured with headlines, images, infographics. But here's a quick tip for the next time if you want to be faster. Go to quick and single, and just enter your blog title here and it creates a full blog within minutes. It's just the same as Wizard but with fewer clicks. You can also use a bulk generate option here where auto-blogging allows you to upload multiple titles at once and also create them all and auto-post them to WordPress directly. Road trips are about freedom and adventure, and blogging about them should feel the same. With autoblogging.ai, you can generate complete SEO ready road trips blog in under 3 minutes. And if you don't want to set this up for yourself, you can try our Done For You blog service where we'll take care of everything for you. If this was helpful, hit a like, subscribe, and comment your favorite road trip route.